Hey guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa
Centris. It's
Sa-
our monthly food crawl.
So,
Well, no, we have a destination in mind.
yeah, it's actually 3 a.m. or
It's for all.
4 a.m. Tapos bigla kami nag-crave ng seafood. So yun.
They have a crabs and crack here na maganda puntahan pag madaling araw kasi kami lang yung tao. So, syempre, kung konti yung tao, mas mabilis yung serving and madali mag-request na kung ano-ano.
Anyway, the good thing here din pala is it's number one, malapit lang siya sa amin. Like 3 to 4 minutes walk from our place. So this is Centris pag ganitong oras, 4 a.m. And it's because Centris is partly an IT park. Ayan, maraming tao.
bukas na 24/7 because
Yeah.
office people need to
That's
eat or
right.
snack during their shift. So it fits our schedule pretty well.
If you're craving for, let's say, Angel's Burger, ayan, dito lang kayo pumunta sa Centris, nakatago lang yung Angel's Burger.
There are days na you would really crave for Angel's Burger.
Yes, that's right. And if, for example, hindi nyo naman trip kumain, punta lang kayo here, ayun, may mga areas na you can sit, magmuni-muni, like what those other people are doing. So, it's pretty safe here sa loob ng Centris. Low-key lang siya na IT park. Well, technically, di nga alam ng mga tao na it's an IT park. Because there are just a couple of buildings na IT,
And all works at night.
yes, PEZA IT accredited. But hindi lang BPOs ang nandito din yung not PSA.
There are other government offices here.
Ang PSA alam ko nasa likod.
There's PSA,
Sa likod.
SSS.
Hindi, nasa labas yun. Alam ko ang nandito sa loob is, may isa pa, Philippine Competitive
Yes.
PCC? Philippine Competitive Counselors.
They're nasa tapat sila ng Centris Mall.
So dito kami kakain sa Crabs and Crack.
This is usually what we get.
Yes.
That one. Kasi that's really enough for us.
Yeah. So it's a 24/7
Excited na sila pumasok kami.
so 24/7 seafood destination. Hi kuya. Kami ulit.
Hindi na kami nag-change ng spot, so this is our spot every time. Table Farm.
Yes. Hi.
So, this is what we usually get. Kasi they have a thick menu, pero most of it are for group meals. We like to get the this one, yung all-in-one bundle. It's actually good for 3, pero dalawa lang kami ni Checo makain niya. Tama, no? Or was it this one?
I think yung kinukuha
Ito kasi meron tayong isang ano.
Isang
So
ulam.
it's 2,200 for both of us. We're gonna compare it to an Eat All You Can Taste. Medyo same naman yung price niya for 2. Pero kasi we figured it's just the same amount of food na kaya namin. Minsan nga may sobra pa, may natitake.
Tapos,
baka-
mas malapit pa yung place. So,
Yeah. So we go with this one.
yep.
Gusto mo calamari ulit. Ano,
Ibang
optional naman is
choices?
for 5-5 also if may celebration ka pa. Ito kami kuya, all-in bundle 2
All-in.
na calamari sa
Anong sauce nito?
nakakatawa si Checo. Bago kami pumunta dito, may pre-game na siya agad. Ayun.
So, bumili na ako ng siomai. Yeah, because actually, nagutom ako.
Gutom siya. This is the
Yeah.
first meal of the day.
First, I woke up at siguro mga 10 p.m. kanina or close to 11 p.m.
Pero coffee pa lang.
Coffee lang, ayun. And nantay ko
I
siya.
woke up at 3 a.m. So kasi pag
Discipline.
weekends, I make sure I get enough sleep. Kasi minsan, I don't get the full 8 hours. Pag weekdays, kasi I would doom scroll, I would play Mobile Legends. And especially now, I have the Switch. It takes up a lot of time before my bedtime. Pero yeah,
Meanwhile ako, naka 8 p.m. Ay, 8 p.m. Naka 8 hours sleep naman ako. So, siguro next goal ko is to fix my sleeping pattern kasi yun nga, 8 hours pero paiba-iba yung tulog ko. Minsan, in fact, nung I think it was around March na nakakatulog na ako ng right after shift. Ngayon, natutulog ako like after 4 hours to 5 hours after shift. So, paiba-iba siya lately. So, ayun, I've read na even if nakakatulog ka ng full 8 hours,
If it's not
if,
done daily.
yeah, at saka kung hindi rin fix yung sleeping pattern, yung sleep schedule mo, ganun pa rin siya. So, ayun, so we're gonna be waiting for our food, tapos makita namin sa inyo. And ayun, I assume most of you have been to a Crabs and Crack Seafood House branch na before kasi marami silang branches all over Metro Manila. But if ever you're here in QC or nasa Tomas Morato, Timog area kayo or Quezon Avenue area right after your bar hopping or whatever, and it's like after 12 midnight na you're looking for a seafood resto, ito yun. Well, ito yung isa sa mga seafood spots or seafood restos na you can visit around QC. Kasi alam ko meron pang iba eh. Pero ito yung pinaka-convenient kasi nasa loob lang ng Centris. Yay! So, ayan na yung food namin. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm hungry. Super hungry.
So, we got calamares. And then, itong platter na to. I forgot kung anong tawag sa platter na to. Basta ito yung...
All-in-one bundle too.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
comes with a free sides.
So, itong buong bundle na to is how much?
2,200.
Kasama na yung drinks.
Everything. Plus
Everything.
the legend plan.
Yeah. So baka mabash kami dito. Covered na to ng plastic cellophane.
Yeah.
Yeah. So kakain ka sa table. Walang plate. Yung plate, lagayan lang siya ng
Right, if you wanna...
ng rice.
Pero we don't usually put it that way.
Yeah.
Then supa, of course.
Yes.
I use this on the calamari.
So walang utensils, walang spoon, fork. Kailangan mo magkamay.
Although meron pa din naman, pero it's
Ay,
up to you.
meron
To get
pala.
the full experience.
Yes. Tsaka, meron din naka-prepare na pang
Match.
yes, pang pokpok sa tama ba yung term? Pang pokpok sa crab. Oh, meron din pala silang lechon plan. Kasama na siya sa package. Hey guys, so we're done na. And
done.
here's the view.
We're so full.
Yeah, this is Centris. Pag ganitong oras.
Very quiet. Dito sa loob, but of course, EDSA up front is very chaotic. It's a Monday.
Yeah. Ito yung sinasabi ko na may
Doggy.
may car park and dito lang yung Crabs and Crack. Tapos kung wala naman kayong dalang car, like kung nag-commute lang, kung lapit lang niya rin sa sa Quezon Avenue, both MRT station and the bus station. So busway pala. So, yeah. So, mission accomplished. Namin yung craving namin. And we're on our way home. So, yung bahay namin is nasa likod ng building na to. Well, sa other side. Ayan.
Doggy, oh. Tako-tako ang doggy.
That's cute. So, next namin gagawin is maghahanap kami ng dog food. Par-
Nakatalaw for the
Oo.
week. Kasi they only eat, not that they only eat that specific brand, pero they love that brand. Hindi kami nahihirapan ipakain sa kanila. Pero available lang siya sa 7-Eleven.
True. Yung brand na yon, hindi to
Chico.
Hachiko, hindi to paid partnership with
Oh.
Hachiko. And by the way, napaka din, pet animal friendly. Animal friendly nung Centris kasi yun, may mga dogs, tapos may mga cats. Welcome sila dito.
Hindi sila inaaway ng management.
Yes.
Although, bawal mo pakainin yung dogs and cats.
That's right. In a way, actually okay na rin na medyo low-key lang si Centris kasi unlike sa other areas like BGC or Eastwood City na sobrang crowded, dito tahimik lang, low-key lang. Though I'm not saying na sobrang comparable niya sa dalawa kasi syempre malaking townships na yung BGC and Eastwood.
But the benefit really is for us na mga nakatira around.
Yes.
More than the people working here.
That's
Kasi
right.
paggabi, we could just cross.
Oo.
There's a lot of food places.
Yeah. Although hindi siya kasing laki ng...
Though it kind of lost a little bit of its life
Oo.
after pandemic. But, you know,
Well, even if may mga nagsara, may mag-re-open, may mag-open. Like, eto, pick up coffee, mag-open siya here.
Yung sinihintay ko,
Food.
sobrang tagal niya. Magbukas.
Yes.
Parang 2 months na yan dyan.
And then, yun nga, going back, it may not be as big as BGC or Eastwood, pero still, it's a township. Low-key na township. Maliit siya na township. More or less, I think mga 10 to 12 hectares siguro. I could be wrong though. I'll check. So, punta muna kami 7-Eleven to check kung nandito yung food ng dalawa.
Push tong
Push back. Here.
Wala.
Wala.
Hindi na sila nag-i-stop here. Sa other side. I mean, sa last hand sa other side.
Oo. Or I think, wait lang. Bak nandito. Minsan dito yung nilalagay. Oh. Ala. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. Sad to say, walang Hachiko. So, pupunta kami sa ibang 7-Eleven. Kasi,
Sa other side, because here may dalawang 7-Eleven. The one facing Centris Mall and the one facing Elements.
meron ba doon? Sa other side?
Di ba?
Hindi, I mean, may Hachiko ba doon? Sa Centris Mall?
Oh, you're referring sa kabilang 7-Eleven.
Oo.
There, sa pagbaba.
Oo.
So, mag-elevator tayo.
Pwede.
Going up. Wala nung Hachiko pedigree.
Doon. Hindi. Ang sinasabi kong other 7-Eleven, yung
Sa
may...
mall?
Oo.
Oh my God, ang laki mo.
Sa ABS-CBN. Ano, doon tayo?
Ayun.
Okay.
Para bang binawi mo lang yung kinain mo.
Okay lang, at least na-burn yung kinain namin. Sabi din sa research na nabasa ko, it's actually advisable to walk right after eating.
Yeah, 10 minutes of walk after eating
Yes.
is good because it helps your digestion. It helps burn excess sugar.
So ito yung area namin pag ganitong oras. And then, dyan kami magkocross sa may EDSA Carousel na bus station.
Akala ko mag-elevator tayo.
Elevator ba? Bakit tayo mag-elevator?
Because we need to check the other 7-Eleven.
Kaso hindi pala kami magkocross dyan. Pero ito yung busway.
Doon kami sa, doon sa mataas na
Oo.
walking path.
Pero ayun, it will give you an idea na kung nagko-commute kayo tapos wala lang, bigla kayo nag-crave ng crabs.
Baba kayo sa baba kayo sa North Avenue.
Hindi, Quezon Avenue Station to.
Ayun nga pala.
So baba kayo here sa bus station, 24/7 naman yung EDSA busway. And then cross lang kayo, yun. Pagbaba nyo dyan, ayun, diretso na. Tapos yun na yung crab station. Ay, crab station. Yung crab, pangalan na to? Crabs and Crack. And here, ito yung MRT station. Ayun, tapos ito may mga buildings na rin here. So, aside from being a slice of our life vlog, parang ano na rin, development update vlog. So ayun, nakatayo na yung DMCI na condo, matagal na there. And then ito, matagal na yan na landmark. Ito dapat yung DDT Sky Tower eh. Ito dapat yung magiging tallest building along EDSA, but sad to say, hindi natuloy. But
Funding.
yes, kinapush siya sa funding. The good news though is that hindi naman, well, somehow na-change yung plano, naging commercial slash residential na siya.
Although they will not be retaining their original plan of number ng floors. I think they scaled it down.
Yes.
Parang hindi nga nila na-meet yung number na, or yung funders nila.
Yeah. So, dito na tapos dyan sa unahan, dyan itatayo yung upcoming Shangri-La na Twin Tower. Yan, ito. Ipa-flash ko sa screen. Ching! Ayan. Basta ipa-flash ko sa screen how it will look like. So upcoming siya, Twin Tower na wow. Pag na-build siya, just imagine yung yung mga landmarks here. Pagtapos na yung I forgot the name. Shang Summit yata. Shang Summit. No, Shang Summit. Ayan. So here, ito yung Centris Mall. Actually, low-key siya na SM. Kung hindi ka taga dito, you wouldn't know na SM siya. Kasi Centris Station, pero sa loob, may SM. May Save More. Ayan, SM Hypermarket. Ayan. Here, may Genpack. Yung mga companies na nandito, Genpack. Tapos, may Concentrix or for us, OG, it used to be called Converges. Here, may Genpack, may Y-Pro. Alam ko Genpack, may Genpack din sa Alabang. Alam ko may Y-Pro sa Alabang. May Y-Pro sa Cebu. Here sa QC, ito naman yung area ng Y-Pro. And here, ito yung first 7-Eleven na Pokemon theme in QC. I'm just not sure in the Philippines.
Wala din.
Ay?
Puro cat food na rin.
Ay.
It's kasi yan.
Wala nga. So sad.
Okay lang. You're supposed to walk there.
Wala.
Third floor. Doors opening. Going back. Doors.
So guys, I hope you won't judge us kung bakit kami nag-elevator, but pag inakyat mo kasi to, this is like around 6 floors yung katumbas niya. Pag inakyat mo lang sa stairs, ang hirap talaga. Challenging. Ayun. Oh, this is our view. So ito yung Vertis North. Itong part na to, ito yung Vertis. That's Vertis North.
The sun!
Yeah. Doon naman yung Katipunan area. Ito yung South Triangle. So welcome to our neighborhood. Pwede na tayo mag-walk pababa. This is North Avenue. Yun yung na-mention kanina na North Avenue. Papunta doon.
Trinoma na station.
Yeah, so yung Trinoma Station is also called as North Avenue Station. Ano, walk na lang. So, dun kami galing kanina sa Centris. Tapos dito kami, uuwi. Ito yung sinasabi ko kanina na, sinasabi namin na, sad to say, hindi natuloy. Naka-on hold yung plan. And supposedly, ito yung magiging tallest building along EDSA. Ayan, flash ko yung rendering niya. Ito yun. Yan. Ayan. Sayang, but at least, di pa naman siya na-cancel. Change lang yung plan.
Mangga, oh.
Wow. Actually, gusto ko ng ganyang mangga. Yung maliliit.
Local mango yan doon, hindi yan yung super acid na gusto.
Gusto ko ng ganyang mangga. Yung maliit lang siya.
Oh my god, super lapit na ni Kuya Ulo.
What? May ano siya. May reverse camera siya for sure.
Paano makakaalis si Kuya sa likod mo?
Ayun lang.
Hindi siya
Oo.
makaka-atras yun. It has very little wiggle room.
Oo nga, no.
Ano ba yung mga pinagaganyan na mango? Sa Ilocos, may mga salagubang na natira sa kanya during December, January, February, March. Maraming salagubang there.
Sa Lagubang is spider?
No!
Ah, ano?
Salagubang is
Beetles. Ah, okay. Akala ko. Blessed pa rin kami sa area namin kasi even if nasa city kami,
We still have green.
yeah, maraming greens. Actually, itong mangga na to, hindi lang ito, meron pang mangga malapit sa amin. Ayan.
Because South Triangle is like a mixed use area.
Yeah.
But predominantly, most of it are still residential.
We just hope na hindi kami magkaroon ng gentrification.
It's kind of gonna
Hindi
be
siya
like that kasi
gentrification.
we're gonna have the minors a lot of buildings.
Hindi naman hindi naman gentrification ang tawag nung gentrification is mag-change yung culture, di ba? Ng isang lugar. Mali.
Depende of sa influx ng tao na darating. Pero yun nga, since we're gonna have more people soon kasi ang daming development, so we're not pretty sure how long preserve.
Actually, yung hindi culture, kumbaga parang sana yung vibe ng lugar na para kasing village yung area namin or subdivision lang tapos konting lakad na mga establishments na sana yung ganon hindi siya ma-change, sana hindi siya magiging super busy. Yun yung gusto kong sabihin, even if ang lapit lang namin sa EDSA. So this is MRT Quezon Avenue Station, and
This is the new 7-Eleven.
the new
Ang
7-Eleven.
third 7-Eleven na natin in our
Yes. Ay, oo nga. Dito pala may dog food din. Hanap kami ng dog food. Dito yung dog food. Ay, no, sa other side. Excuse me. Ay. Nandun yung dog food.
Here?
Oo.
Wala, puro pouch lang.
Ah,
Ganyan lang. Walang
sa likod.
wala din.
Wala din.
Yung talaga.
Yeah.
Ang layo.
Ay, sorry po. So ayun, wala pa rin kaming nakitang dog food. Nakatatlong na kami, 7-Eleven.
Yeah.
So ayun, we're walking again on our way, on our way back home. Wag ko na ipakita yung mga basura because it's not really the great quality of EDSA during this hour. Given na yon. Di mo naman mabiblame yung MMDA kasi or yung local government kasi marami talagang nagtatapon ng basura kung saan saan. So somehow yung mga tao at fault din. Oh, of course, the malunggay, pandesal. Ito yun, sayang, ano na siya? White elephant na. For now. So, if familiar kayo sa landmark na yan, that's ABS-CBN.
Oh no, that's Ate with the crazy dog.
Hala, hindi ko to i-edit.
Yun yung dog na, meron ko yung dog sa neighborhood na laging nalakad yung mano.
Yeah.
Medyo aggressive siya.
Ay, galit na naman siya. Babe, behave.
Di ba? That's exactly what I'm talking about. Nagagalit talaga siya.
Yeah.
I don't know kung sa amin lang. I think generally sa other people din.
Dito na tayo sa gilid.
Lagi siyang nakicraze.
Ito pala, ito yung, well, in fairness to our local government, this is their initiative, Mother Ignacia Pedestrian Corridor, also known as Gora Lane. You know, Gora from the slang Gora, like let's go Gora, ganon. So Gora stands for green, ba yung Gora?
Wala naman.
Meron! Green, Gora. Alam ko may meaning ang Gora i-post ko na lang here, guys. Parang green, acronym siya, si Gora. Post ko na lang here.
Akala there's Gora QC.
The green open recreational area. Basta post ko na lang here yung meaning ng Gora. And then ito yung ABS-CBN. So, and then this is a ABS-CBN tower. Millennial Tower ba tawag niyan? I don't know. So dito na lang kasi malapit na kami sa bahay namin. Syempre, privacy, we can't show you where we live. Ayun, so magwa-walk yung dalawa. Cosmo Orbit, in here. Ready na mag-walk? Ha? Magwa-walk. Si Cosmo hindi siya naka-leash kasi kaya na niya. Let's go. Cosmo. Come here. Cosmo. Thank you.
Dito tayo, baby.
Come on. Dito tayo. Come here. So we're here along ABS-CBN and winawalk namin yung dalawa. Si Cosmo, kaya na niyang hindi naka-leash. Si Orbit, need pa rin talaga niyang mag-leash. Cosmo, come on, dire-diretso. Come on, come here. Let's go.
Orbit lahat na lang hihian
Yeah, yun yung problema kay Orbit pag winok kasi konting lakad lang, magsastop,
Orbit.
iihi. So here, this is ABS-CBN complex. Actually, nabili na to ng Ayala Land and soon, since acquired mo siya ni Ayala, i-develop siya into another mixed-use project. Oh my gosh, kumain. Kaya kailangan pulutin. So ayun, napulot na nga yung, alam yun na, si Cosmo. Cosmo, come here. Cosmo, dahan-dahan lang.